Well done on completing your assigned task. Ayuda makes it easy for you to wrap up your work and provide feedback on your experience. In this video, we'll show you how to complete your ongoing work, whether it's a premium or flex assignment. To complete your work, follow these simple steps. Open the Ayuda app on your device. Navigate to your work, whether it's premium or flex, using the bottom navigation tab. Next, tap on the Active Ayudas tab at the top navigation bar. Scroll up slightly to locate the Ongoing section, and you'll find your ongoing work listed there. Choose the specific work you've completed to view its details. Tap on it to proceed. Simply tap on the Complete Work button on the detail page. Alternatively, tap on the three-dot option menu to access additional actions and select Complete Work. After selecting Complete Work, a confirmation screen will appear. Here, you can confirm that the work has been done, provide a rating for your overall experience with the customer, leave a review regarding the customer and the work completed. Once you've rated and reviewed the experience, tap on the Complete Work button to confirm that the task has been completed successfully. If you change your mind, tap Dismiss to cancel the completion. That's it! You've completed your ongoing work on the Ayuda app, whether it was a premium or flex assignment. Your feedback helps us maintain a high standard of service. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.